Hello cuties, welcome to Cutie Study. Let's learn some colors. Red color, yellow color, purple color, blue color, black color, orange color, pink color, dark green color, brown color, sky blue color, light green color. Let's learn to draw some 2D shapes. Yellow color, square shape, dark green color, circle shape, blue color, arrow shape, pink color, star shape, red color, pentagon shape, gray color, octagon shape. Let's learn to repeat 2D shapes. This is square, this is circle, this is arrow, this is star, this is pentagon, this is octagon. Thank you for my watching video cuties. Like and subscribe. Bye.